Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of stylish living rooms. Whether you're looking to revamp your space or just need some inspiration, we've got you covered with these chic and trendy ideas. Let's get started. Welcome to the world of minimalist living rooms, where less is more. This design philosophy is all about simplicity and functionality. Start with a neutral color palette, think whites, grays, and beiges. These colors create a calm and serene environment. Focus on clean lines and uncluttered spaces. Choose furniture with simple, sleek designs. A modern sofa with straight lines and a low profile works perfectly. Avoid overly ornate pieces. Instead, select items that are both beautiful and functional. Accessories should be minimal but meaningful. A single statement piece, like a modern art painting or a unique coffee table, can add a touch of personality without cluttering the space. Use hidden storage solutions to keep things out of sight and maintain the clean, open feel of the room. Next, we explore the Bohemian living room, a space that's all about creativity, comfort, and a free-spirited aesthetic. This style embraces a mix-and-match approach, combining different patterns, colors, and textures. Start with a vibrant rug as the focal point of the room. Layer it with cozy cushions and throws in a variety of fabrics, think velvet, wool, and cotton. Don't shy away from bold colors like deep reds, rich blues, and warm oranges. Eclectic wall art and handmade crafts add a personal touch. Incorporate items collected from your travels or vintage pieces that tell a story. Plants are essential in a bohemian space, bringing in natural elements and a sense of tranquility. Lighting should be soft and ambient. Use fairy lights, lanterns, and candles to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Remember, the Bohemian style is all about expressing your individuality, so let your personality shine through. Scandinavian design is perfect for those who love functionality and simplicity, combined with a cozy atmosphere. This style is characterized by light colors, natural materials, and a focus on creating a warm, welcoming environment. Begin with a neutral color palette of whites, grays, and light blues. These colors reflect natural light and make the space feel airy and open. Wooden furniture, especially pieces with clean lines and simple designs, is a staple of Scandinavian decor. Look for pieces made from light woods like birch or pine. Textiles play a crucial role in adding warmth and comfort. Layer soft throws, cushions, and rugs in natural fabrics such as wool, cotton, and linen. Don't forget to add greenery. Plants bring life and freshness to the room. Lighting is key in Scandinavian design. Opt for fixtures that provide a soft, diffused light. Pendant lights, floor lamps, and candles create a cozy, hygge atmosphere, perfect for relaxing. For a more edgy and urban look, consider the industrial style. This design is inspired by old factories and industrial spaces, characterized by exposed elements and raw materials. Exposed brick walls, metal accents, and reclaimed wood are the hallmarks of industrial design. Keep the color palette neutral with grays, blacks, and browns to maintain an authentic industrial feel. Furniture should be sturdy and functional. Think of metal-framed sofas, wooden coffee tables with steel legs, and vintage leather chairs. Industrial lighting fixtures, like metal pendant lights or Edison bulb lamps, add to the ambience. Accessories should be minimal and purposeful. Opt for functional decor like metal shelving units, industrial-style clocks, and vintage signs. The goal is to create a space that feels both raw and refined. Mid-century modern is a timeless style that combines retro vibes with contemporary flair. It originated in the mid-20th century and is known for its clean lines, organic shapes, and functional elegance. Furniture is a key element in mid-century modern design. Look for pieces with simple forms, such as a sofa with tapered legs or an Eames lounge chair. The color palette often includes bold hues like mustard yellow, teal, and orange, balanced with neutral tones. Geometric patterns and organic shapes are common in mid-century modern decor. Incorporate these through rugs, cushions, and wall art. Iconic pieces like a starburst clock or a sunburst mirror can serve as statement items. Lighting should be both functional and stylish. Choose fixtures with sleek designs, like arc floor lamps or Sputnik chandeliers. The goal is to create a space that is both inviting and visually striking. If you're aiming for a warm and inviting atmosphere, the rustic style might be your go-to. This design is all about natural materials and a cozy, lived-in feel. Start with a color palette inspired by nature, earthy tones like browns, greens, and creams. Wooden furniture is essential, especially pieces with a rugged, handcrafted look. A large wooden coffee table or a reclaimed wood bookshelf can be a focal point. Incorporate stone elements, such as a stone fireplace or a stone accent wall, to add texture and warmth. Soft textiles, like woolen blankets, plaid cushions, and shaggy rugs, enhance the cozy feel. Vintage pieces add character and charm. Look for antique lanterns, vintage signs, and weathered picture frames. A fireplace, whether real or electric, is the perfect finishing touch, creating a cozy ambience perfect for relaxing evenings. And there you have it. 6 stylish living room ideas to inspire your next home makeover. Whether you prefer the sleek lines of minimalist design, the vibrant mix of Bohemian decor, the cozy simplicity of Scandinavian style, the raw edge of industrial design, the retro flair of mid-century modern, or the warm charm of rustic decor, there's something here for everyone. Which style is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more interior design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.